Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you folks doing tonight? All right. I know you're like me. You're a social media crack addict, right? You're on social media. I proved it because you all got on LinkedIn. Got connected with LinkedIn. I don't know how many people I connected with. But social media is so awesome because we can connect with people. We're spending our lives tweeting and tagging people and getting our post out there in order to get connections, because that's what social media is all about, is building those connections to help build our business, correct? And I've made some awesome connections on LinkedIn. I've grown my business. I've met people. People know me. And social media has made me a rock star. But there's a problem with social media. Sometimes social media can make you feel empty and incomplete because you're making digital connections. You're not making real connections. And when you get the desire to make creating a real estate domain for yourself. So like I have a burtonkelso.com website that I use. So I do have I do have a Gmail account. I won't say what it is because I want you hacking into it. But that's just for private use only. But yes, if you are a real estate agent, I will say quit using Gmail, the free version. Set up your own domain because it puts you at less risk of getting criminals from accessing your sites. Now, why do you think Burton's got this picture? Actually care about you or your business, and they don't. No one cares, right? And that's the biggest mistake. Stop thinking people care about you or your business. What people really care about are their problems. We all have problems, right? Everyone's got a sob story. Everyone has something that they're going with. So with your social media campaign, you've got to tailor it. You've got to make sure that you are a person who is going to solve everyone's problem. This is where the kick-ass part comes in. You got to be like Wonder Woman, guys included. You got to kick ass, and you've got to be able to deliver content that's going to help people get through the problems that they have in their life. Because the old adage in life is people do business with people they know, like, and trust. And if people don't trust you or trust your business, they're not going to do business with you. And it's people oriented. So how do you make that happen with social media? It's pretty darn simple. First step, you've got to create a social media page that is going to be out of this world. It's going to be mind-blowing. It's just going to blow your head off. And you're going to have people come back.
Burton, welcome to the stage.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about your company, Integral, which is based in Kansas City. Tell us about that.
So Integral has been around since 1993, and we're basically Kansas City's version of the Geek Squad.
Okay.
So we set up homes and businesses with networks. We set up smart homes. Obviously, we help businesses take care of their cybersecurity issues. So my motto for my company and myself is that we love technology. We've read all the manuals, and we're serious about making technology fun, safe, and easy to use for everyone.
So are you guys kind of a 24/7? No.
No, most small businesses don't want 24/7 service, so we work 6 days a week, and
okay.
Yeah, we definitely, are there for the most part to help people take care of all their computer issues and needs.
So are most of your customers then kind of on a plan? Are they member? You know what I mean?
I know what you're saying. Yeah. So we are break fix, which means customers can call us when they need us for computer service. But we also do managed services. People just don't like change. Like, I'm sure many of you out there have probably not changed your underwear for the past couple of days, right? I'm sure there's somebody out there. But the important thing about technology is that it's so important to your business. So you've got to go with the times as far as change, or you're going to be left behind and end up in business hell. So the challenge with that is that most employees find technology stressful. 6 out of 10 as a matter of fact. And so how do you deal with that? How do you make the transition easy to make your employees embrace technology? So number one is that you've got to know your technology journey as far as your company is concerned. There's so many products out there like Windows, Mac, Samsung, and Android. It doesn't make any sense just to jump on the bandwagon and go with the first thing. So you've got to plan your path out. Second most important thing is that you've got to make sure that your employees are following the rules when it comes to technology use, because all